Let's be honest, you're trying to stay fit. You make it to the gym, you hit your step count, you even lift some weights. So why does your lower back still have that persistent ache? And why, when you catch your reflection in a shop window, do you see that same slumped, rounded posture staring back? You followed the advice to get fitter, but you're facing the frustrating reality that it's not solving the real problem. That's because you're training fitness while completely ignoring your body's structure. This is the hidden reason so many active people are still dealing with chronic pain, stubborn weight gain, and poor posture. In this video, I'm going to show you why replacing some of your repetitive workouts with a few deep, foundational movements is the key to rebuilding your body, eliminating pain, and finally standing tall. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll reveal one surprisingly simple bonus movement that is a game changer for correcting years of bad posture. Section 1. The problem: fitness versus structure. To understand why all your hard work might not be fixing your pain, you have to accept that modern fitness culture has sold you an incomplete idea. Imagine your body as a car. You've been spending all your time tuning the engine, but you've been completely ignoring a bent and twisted frame. That engine is your fitness. It's your cardio health, your muscular endurance for getting through a workout, and your ability to keep up in a fitness class. It's all about burning calories and increasing stamina, and it's what most people chase. But the structure is the car's chassis. It's the alignment of your skeleton, the function of your joints, and the way your body stacks up against the force of gravity. And if that chassis is out of alignment, it doesn't matter how strong the engine is. The car will never perform optimally. It will wear down unevenly and constantly be in the shop for repairs. Does that sound familiar? The real culprit here isn't necessarily your workout. It's the hours you spend before you even get to the gym. We live our lives sitting, at desks, in cars, and on couches. This lifestyle shortens our hip flexors, deactivates our glutes, and rounds our upper back, effectively bending our body's chassis. Then, we take this compromised structure and put it through repetitive exercise. But here's the dangerous truth. All that time on the elliptical doesn't fix your bad posture. It just makes you more efficient at exercising with bad posture. That workout class isn't healing your achy back. It's potentially locking you even deeper into the exact pattern that's causing the pain. You are simply getting very good at moving with a dysfunctional body. This is the trap. You can be incredibly fit, but still be in constant pain because you've built a strong engine inside a misaligned frame. So how do we fix it? Stay with us to add the missing puzzle piece to why your repetitive exercise is not addressing total health and fitness. Section 2. The foundational fix. So what is this master movement that toddlers perform effortlessly? It's the deep body weight squat. Not the heavy back-breaking barbell squat you might be thinking of, but the natural, full range of motion squat that is a fundamental human resting position. We've just forgotten how to do it. Forgetting the squat is the root cause of so many structural problems. When you lose the ability to squat deep, it's a sign that your hips have become tight, your glutes have switched off, and your ankles have lost their mobility, all direct consequences of a chair-bound life. Reclaiming this movement is the first and most important step in rebuilding your body's chassis from the ground up. A true structural squat isn't about reps or weight. It's about relearning alignment. It simultaneously opens up your hips, forces your core to stabilize your spine, and reactivates your glutes, the most powerful muscles in your body that have been put to sleep by sitting. Here's how we relearn it. Stand with your feet just outside shoulder width apart, with your toes pointed slightly outwards. Begin the movement by sending your hips back, as if you're trying to sit in a tiny chair that is way behind you. Keep your chest proud and your spine long. Don't let your back round. Lower yourself down as far as you can go while keeping your heels flat on the floor and your back straight. It doesn't matter how low you go at first. The goal is perfect form, not depth. If you feel your back start to round or your heels lift, that's your limit. Keep your knees tracking in line with your feet. A common mistake is letting them collapse inward. Fight to keep them pushed out. Pause at the bottom, then drive through your heels and squeeze your glutes to stand back up tall. This is a diagnostic tool and a corrective exercise in one. To To start, don't worry about sets or a high number of reps. Just aim for 3 to 5 slow, perfect repetitions. As you feel more comfortable, you can gradually add more. You're not just exercising, you are reclaiming a fundamental pattern that your body was designed to do. This is the foundation upon which everything else is built. Section 3. Unlocking the upper body. Now, rebuilding our foundation with the squat is step 1, but that doesn't fully address the desk posture so many of us have, the forward head and slumped, rounded shoulders. For that, we need our second structural movement, and as promised, this is the bonus exercise that will be a game changer for your upper body. It's the wall angel. The wall angel was my personal aha moment. I had no idea how far my shoulders had rolled forward until this simple, humbling exercise revealed the truth and pulled everything back toward alignment. This movement is the perfect antidote to hours spent hunched over a keyboard or phone. It directly addresses the postural issues that even walking and squats can't entirely fix on their own. The wall angel works by doing two critical things at once. It strengthens the weak, overstretched muscles in your upper back, like your rhomboids and lower traps, while simultaneously lengthening the tight, shortened muscles in your chest and shoulders. It does more than just stretch or strengthen. It reestablishes the connection between your brain and your back, reminding your body what true, neutral alignment actually feels like. Here's how to perform it with precision. Find a flat wall and stand with your feet about 6 inches away. Your goal is to create 4 points of contact with the wall. Your tailbone, your mid-back, between the shoulder blades, the back of your head, and your arms. Slightly bend your knees and tilt your pelvis to gently flatten your lower back toward the wall. You don't have to force it flat, just reduce the gap. Lightly tuck your chin, as if making a double chin, to ensure the back of your head is touching the wall. Now, raise your arms into a W or goalpost shape with your elbows bent at 90 degrees. Press your shoulders, elbows, and the backs of your wrists against the wall. For many people, just holding this starting position correctly is a major challenge. From there, slowly slide your arms up the wall into a V shape. Try to straighten them as much as you can without letting your wrists, elbows, or head lose contact with the wall. Then slowly scrape your arms back down to the starting W position. The secret is to move slowly and fight for every inch. Do not let your lower back arch or your head jut forward. If your wrists pop off the wall, you've gone too far. Only move within a range you can completely control. To begin, aim for just 3 to 5 slow, deliberate repetitions. It should feel challenging, as the goal is quality, not quantity. This isn't about adding another grueling hour-long session to your already packed schedule. It's about being smarter with your effort, not just working harder. It's about giving your existing fitness routine a vital structural upgrade. Here's a simple, powerful plan. Go for your daily 20 or 30-minute walk to get your heart rate up and stay active. But when you get back, before you cool down, perform this sequence. Start with just 3 to 5 slow, deep bodyweight squats, focusing on perfect form. Follow that with 3 to 5 deliberate wall angels. As this becomes easier, you can slowly add another repetition each week. Think of it as a structural tune-up for your body. This simple addition takes less than 10 minutes, but it will fundamentally improve how your body moves and feels every single day. Hi, everyone. The AI voice of mine keeps adding a English or a British accent. So I'm going to finish this video. Now they want a lot more money. This always happens. I'm going to finish this video just by telling you the rest of the story. I was very sick following keto and fasting and exercise diet regimens, and I made this channel to tell people that it's so much more complicated than that, and there's so many things that are important to be healthy and to lose weight. I've lost 25 pounds. I still have a long way to go. Anyways, let's finish this video, and I want to post it. I haven't posted for a long time. I was working on my other channel, Inspire Your Spirit. If you want to go there, just let me know, because there's a few Inspire Your Spirits
and I want to make sure you get the right one. It's about raising your vibration. So here's the rest of this script. If you're ready to stop chasing reps and start building a body that is truly resilient from the inside out, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we're going to dive deeper into these principles in future videos. For years, the fitness industry has told us the solution to pain and bad posture is simply to exercise more, get stronger, build more endurance, but that advice is missing the most critical piece of the puzzle. The secret to ending those chronic aches and finally fixing your posture isn't more fitness, it's better structure. It's about shifting your focus from mindless, repetitive exercise to deep, intentional movements that rebuild your body's foundational alignment. You have the tools now, you have the understanding. The path to a strong, pain-free body doesn't start with another exhausting hour on the treadmill. It begins with one perfect squat, one conscious wall angel. And by the way, if you do the wall angel on the floor, so hence a floor angel, then gravity works with you. So I've been doing that. I just started these wall angels and these squats, and I can't believe, even though I have a hang bar and some other things that help posture, that I was that slumped over. So I'm starting these with you, and it's already benefited me a lot. Anyways, it begins with one perfect squat, one conscious wall angel, one intentional movement at a time. Stop just exercising. Start training your structure. Your body will thank you for it. Okay, I love you all. Take care.